Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. So this is actually the second intro that I am filming for this video, mostly because I have to break this into several different series, otherwise the videos are gonna be super long. This video is gonna focus on like fall and Halloween decor at Michael's, and then be sure to subscribe and go watch my other ones where we go to TJ Maxx and Marshall's and Home Goods and do whole hauls over there. So before we get started, I have to give you a little bit of a background. Now, I've been seeing these types of videos pop up on TikTok and I was obsessed with this decor line. It's the black and pink skeletons and it's romantic, and it was just like I had to have it right then and there. So I filmed the whole thing, I checked out, I bought everything, I brought it home, I got it all set up and I loved it. And then I decided to go a different direction with my fall and Halloween decor. I talk about it a lot more in my other video, so go check that one out. But in this one, we are specifically going to Michael's to see that black and pink Halloween decor. We do walk around the store a little bit and I give you a little sneak peek of their, fall and Halloween stuff. So I hope all of that makes sense. So if you're not into this type of decor that I'm about to show you and set up, definitely subscribe and check out the other videos because I go this direction. But anyway, yes, let's go to Michael's and check out their new Halloween decor. Oh my God. All of their fall stuff is 40% off. Like the season didn't even start yet. So all of these pumpkins are 40% off is what you're telling me. Okay, so you know those $5 grab bags that everybody has and everybody talks about? I just asked the store employee when those are put out, and he said it's at the end of every season and it's to get rid of the stuff that was from the previous season. So today is August 15th and he said that they just ran out, of course, of the summer ones, but the next ones will be out in like December. So I'm going to mark that on my calendar and I'm gonna call Michael's and find out when those grab bags come out, so that I don't miss them, because I've never ever lucked out and saw them anytime, so. 80% off. I don't think I've ever seen 80% off. They have scarecrows, they're on sale for $7.99. They're usually $14.99. Like, this is not my vibe, but if it is your vibe, go get them because they are on sale. Ah yes, this is what we are here for. Look at how freaking adorable this stuff is. Oh my God, I've never ever seen it before. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with it. So this is $30. It's $29.99. Look at it. Guys, this one is also $24.99. Look at this wreath. Oh, it is beautiful. Oh my God. This is $14.99. So I don't usually like Halloween decor, I like fall. But like I could totally get into this as like fun Halloween. Guys, oh my God. Oh, this is like, I love this, the whole thing. $20. Oh my God. Y'all. Guys. Wow, this is really heavy. Also 20. Look at all these signs. Wow. These plates. Oh, these pillows. Yes, king. What? Oh my god, it's freaking adorable. These bottles. Oh my god. Like, how much are you? $12.99. Yes. We have like sparkle glittery skeleton heads and spiders. Oh my god, I need all of this stuff. Wow. Why is this stuff so pretty? Like, I want it out in my house literally all year. These little bottles. I wonder, so I have a ton of these little bottles. I wonder if I can print out some cute little like magic potion things and stick them on there. Because these are $10 each. So we can DIY this because these ones are $10. And I bought these bottles for like $1 at Hobby Lobby. A lot of the times Michael's has some really good coupons. I am hoping that they have like a 40% off your entire full price order. So oh my god, please, please, please. If they do, I'm buying all of this stuff. And then I'm just gonna commit every year to like decking my place out for Halloween. So we have a 20% off all regular price purchases. So the question is, do we just buy it and like this is now our Halloween decor every year? Or do we wait for like a better sale? I don't know if I can get a better sale. And I feel like this stuff's gonna sell out. Like I love it so much. I don't wanna, oh my god guys, there's more over here. Look at these things. Oh, here's more Halloween. They're just like wreaths and stuff. They're cute. Oh, I love this half moon. That's adorable. Wow, that's $100? Ooh. Oh, but it's 40% off. So that'll be like $60, which I guess is more reasonable, but like, yikes. They have fall jar candles for 3 for $9.99. Yes, oh my god, yes. Oh my god, I need this. I need this in my life. All right, I need a cart. Okay guys, I'm about to spend a lot of freaking money here. But I'm so worried that I'm gonna want this stuff and it's gonna be gone. Since I've been here, people just keep going over and like taking the best stuff. Actually, some of the stuff that's in my cart is completely gone off of the shelf now, and I'm so worried it's not gonna be here again. So I'm just gonna get it all, see what works in my apartment, and then I'll bring back whatever doesn't work. I'm just so worried that it's not gonna be here and I'm gonna want it later. This is my treat to myself. Yeah, I'm always treating myself. I need to chill on the treat yourself slogan. But. Okay guys, so in the end, I spent almost like $300 on all of that stuff with the 20% off coupon, and that also includes tax. And of course, I forget to film what my apartment looked like. The only thing I did was take a TikTok video, which I will show you now.
Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a bitch, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special guy. Oh man, Jack is king of the pumpkin patch, everyone.
I was so excited to go return that stuff and buy like the new orange and black aesthetic. And so I just quickly grabbed everything and ran out the door and realized I only filmed a TikTok. I didn't film something for YouTube. So I hope you get the idea of what it looked like on the TikTok video, and don't be mad at me. But definitely stay tuned and definitely go check out my other fall video because my apartment looks so good now. I'm so happy that I switched it out. Again, I love that black and pink decor, but the vibes that my apartment is now giving me, like with the new aesthetic, is just, it's everything that I wanted. So Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.